23.6.
Must we do it in the notebook?
It must be done in the notebook, dear. I'm sorry to say, beta. You will have to use little bit of pen, little bit of page, little bit of tree.
1 second, sorry. Let me think.
Hey, beta, how was your test? You did one question wrong, na? Easiest one.
क्या धीरज ने बताया आपको?
एक ड्रीम आया था, उसमें आपने मुझे बताया.
Very funny, sir.
क्यों गलत किया बेटा? प्रॉब्लम है, मार्क्स से कुछ प्रॉब्लम थी, टीचर से कुछ प्रॉब्लम थी, क्या प्रॉब्लम?
The question was that
No बेटा, no. So you tell me क्यों गलत किया?
उसका आंसर 4 प्लस -2 था, बट मैंने लिख दिया -4 प्लस -2. I don't know why.
चलो guys, do this question.
अभी मेरे पास कॉपी नहीं है, तो मेरे पास नैपकिन था, तो मैं नैपकिन पे सॉल्व कर दूं.
Okay, Mr. Burr, you need to send to Ragini ma'am. One grade 4 class kept name of the ma'am as Ragi ma'am.
Sir, I had a dream suggesting that Ragini ma'am is a device of yours named as Ragini.
Very good. Good.
Because
I don't know why something that think that you are Ragini ma'am. So because all the time you're looking down, I think there's some other device from where you're checking our stuff and all that.
Yes, sir.
You're looking down the whole time.
Very good.
And sir, Ragini ma'am never speaks or turns on her camera. And I remember once when Ragini ma'am just left the meeting and rejoined, her name was Math Mystery.
Whoa. Oh.
I think,
That
or
is
maybe
an
it was a part
impostor.
of the. Maybe it was a part of the dream I had.
Daddy, beta.
Yes.
Daddy.
I think
If you are on
something
bed
fishy
today,
is going on and sir is hiding it from us.
Sir, if Ragini ma'am is not another device of yours, tell her to switch on her camera.
Wait.
So
Sir,
145.9 and 23.90
Sir, it was a typing error.
and 23.67. So Guy and Yuva is sleeping. When I will add, I will get 59,169.57.
Sir, one thing you I can't do.
आद्या क्या प्रॉब्लम है? क्या प्रॉब्लम थी?
Sir, it was a typing error.
Okay. All right. Next, so same way we do subtraction also, same rules apply. Nothing is different. 83.2 minus 47.56.
Sir, this is very easy.
माइनस क्या बोला था मैंने? 40.5.
49.5.
47.56 बोला था. Don't confuse me.
I said 49.
No, beta, I saw it from a book. I said 47.56. Sometimes I like to make questions from my own. Sometimes I like to see from the book.
Copy.
Good evening, Candy.
Excuse me, sir.
Good evening, sir.
But I have another proof your Ragini ma'am, because I remember one class I had sent all my answers to Ragini ma'am. There were 3 questions. Only one of them was wrong. You told me, Mr. Bemby, your second question is wrong. Check it again, sir. How did you know which question I got wrong if you were
Beta, you forgot
explaining?
an important thing that I keep on telling you from time to time, that sometimes I use my magical powers.
मैं आप सर बहुत झूठ बोल रहे हैं.
You are lying. Sir, why does sir say that Ragini ma'am, please turn on the recording and stuff like that? You forgot to turn on the recording again.
Yeah, because he himself might be the one forgetting to turn on the recording. Because sir keeps
And
his
maybe
camera
he
on
didn't think so. Sir
himself.
would be so stupid. Sir wouldn't be so stupid, yeah.
But
I might say to confuse you.
Maybe
and sir, me and Sudhadeva worked on this theory together.
Ragini ma'am talks.
All right.
Ragini ma'am,
Let's answer this question from Hacker, who has already answered. Hacker, what do you think?
Wait, let me type my answer.
Ragini ma'am is different, or I use a different device?
For
Yes,
Ragini
yes.
ma'am is different.
So let's
Sir,
ask this from Mahuri.
Sir, I have a proof why Ragini ma'am is different.
What?
Put a poll, sir.
Because
Put a
I
poll.
wanted one of the recording. I wanted one of the previous recordings. I told sir, and then then Mama got a message from Ragini ma'am, like from a different number.
Yes, but it could have been Sir's number.
Yes, yes,
There
yes.
can be two different numbers.
Yeah,
Sir, I
exactly.
just want to ask you that do you while checking, do you send someone personal messages?
Yes.
That means that you are Ragini ma'am, because whenever like I have got something wrong, I send her the no. I think 2 or 3 classes.
All right. So Mr. Bambi,
When
Yes, sir.
help me in subtraction, beta.
Then the second time,
Sir,
ma'am
sorry,
just
sir.
gives the thumbs up.
Sir,
It's right. She
Sir,
does
carry over 1 to 0, that will become 10, 4. Then carry over 1, 6.
11
carry over
minus
1,
5, 6. 11 because this will become 11. 11 minus 5,
yes, sir.
6. Then
So 3 will become 2, carry
so
over
12
1,
minus 7. 12 minus
5.
7, 5. And
Sir,
7 minus
calculator
4.
error.
क्या हो रहा है कैंडी सी यू हैव ज्वाइंड
The typing
फर्स्ट मैं
error.
लाइक डेसिमल्स में कन्वर्ट करूंगा then the point should be noted it decimal should come below the decimal point. Decimal should come below the decimal point. Understood, Candy?
Yes,
That
sir.
was typing error.
So mine was also
So
typing
Geet
error.
and Chip and very good Adya, today you are answering and quickly also, very good. Do it the same way. Keep it up. Well done. अब इससे जवाब बहुत ज्यादा हो गया. So everyone solve this question.
How can sir write and remove the names and the ticks and crosses? So that
Because
that
I am working on two devices.
so one hand does this, one hand does that. I don't think so. That's
Yeah.
So that's why you stopped doing it on that screen, because it was difficult for you to come back and reply all the answers.
Yeah. And you know,
Wait, so is he
another
wrong?
thing, one of my friends actually practices this as a multitasking where he can
Oh my god.
work on
Sir,
two. I'm
even
not lying.
one thing.
This is,
That's true.
Sir,
That's
for
true.
how
That's
many,
true.
Sir, for how many
Yes.
years have you been teaching?
I have been teaching since the last 40 years.
What?
Fuck. Sir, you said you are 26 years old, then how could you have been
So
teaching for...
I got a
So
dream
we
that
are
in
being
my
lied
old
to
birth
in so
also I
many
was
ways.
Yes,
So,
sir, we are
sir,
being
so
lied to
sir,
in
sir,
billion ways.
years.
Okay,
I think
enough
sir is
kids,
42.
enough.
I think sir is 42. How sir
Enough,
started
let's-
teaching when he was 2?
Let's do the question. Please,
I
Miss.
think he's more like 100.
No, he's
Very
probably 70 or 60 then.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. So Geet and Mr. Bambi कैसे गलत हुआ guys?
सर मेरे को पता नहीं क्यों मैं वापस
Sir, did you teach your teachers at school or something?
No,
he
he
So-
must have taught his fellow students.
Geet and Mr. Bambi, send your answer. Beta, I really
Maybe.
taught some of my teachers at school. They got very pissed off
सर
with me.
solve again once.
Sir, isn't that the person?
That is not a lie. That is not a lie. That is a truth.
Actually?
That I actually taught some of my teachers. Then they got very pissed off for me.
Sir,
What did you tell them?
When-
That's sad. Because
When they made a
teacher gets
mistake, I
pissed off,
told
you
them.
don't want.
So that's the rule. Beta, never point out your mistake to your teacher. That's a rule.
Sir, but Saram also does that. Sir,
can
but
do
UI
it.
Scooty also does that
You
all
can do
day
it
long.
with me. You can do it with
Shut
me,
up.
not with your school teachers.
Sir,
Trust
UI
me.
Scooty.
about it.
Sir,
Sir,
UI
school about
Scooty
it.
does it
Shut
all
up.
day.
All right,
Sir,
let's see.
there was
Let's see now. Now let's see the question. Adhya, केवल आप बचे हो. First, I will make it into a like decimal and I will subtract 56.3. फिर सिंपल है, जैसे मैं नंबर्स को सब्ट्रैक्ट करता हूँ, ये मेरा 10 बनेगा कि बोरो लेके ये 7 हो जाएगा, ये 199 हो जाएगा बिकॉज ये बोरो दे चुका होगा. यू कैन डू 1 by 1 ऑल्सो. 9 10 9 10 बच्चों वाला वे वो भी कर सकते हैं आप. So 13 and this will line minus 5 will become 143.7. So we have understood addition and subtraction. Rest आप practice कर लेना. Next question, next concept is
Sir?
multiplication. Multiplication. So how do we multiply? Multiply के bit 0.11. Let me explain you the rule. So first you multiply normally. 23 multiplied by 11 is 253. So you multiply normally. Normal multiplication क्या है guys? आप 2 rows में कर लेना जैसे मर्जी कर लेना. This normal multiplication. Orally कर लेना. I don't mind. जैसे मर्जी कर लेना. Then I
Sir,
will write
how
here.
did you do that in your mind?
बेटा 230 plus 23 माइंड में 11 इसलिए लिया 230 plus 23.
Obviously, yeah, that's simple.
ये ट्रिक मैंने लास्ट टाइम बताई थी आपको. So 253.
I also do that.
So now you
But
guys
your
see.
calculation is nearly not as fast.
All right, all
I
right, all right.
obviously know that.
So guys, इसमें 2 digits हैं after the decimal, इसमें 1 digit है after the decimal. How many total digits are there after the decimal? I repeat, how many total digits are there after the decimal? Digits after the decimal. Digits after the decimal. Digits after the decimal. They are 3. Now, because they are 3 and I assume my decimal is here. Why do I assume my decimal is here? Because every number can be written in the form of decimal form. 17 is written as 17.0. 253 is written as 253.0. My decimal is here. So I will have to shift left because my number chota ho raha hai. 3 places. Kitne places? 3 places. So I will shift 1 place, 2 place and 3 place. So my answer would be 0.253. और टीचर स्कूल टीचर को खुश करने के लिए आप एक 0 और लगा देना तो 0.253. Understood, guys?
Sir?
Have
Yes.
a proof.
Sir, Sudharam points out faults in teachers in school as well, but that makes him nothing but the teacher's pet.
How?
Remember in fourth, Pooja ma'am was a literature teacher.
Actually see some students are very sweet. अभी जो सुधरम की अभी जो एज है ना grade 4, grade 5, grade 6, अभी जो sweet एज है तो कभी हो सकता है टीचर बुरा नहीं माने. When you go to higher grades, when you go to higher grades, then if you point it out, na actually you also become not that sweet. You are not that sweet anymore, and your teacher also gets offended कि अरे इसने मेरी गलती निकाली. So such that. So things like that happen.
I have a proof that Sir is another person because I just texted Ragini ma'am and she said another person beta.
Even I texted Ragini ma'am, are you real? She said yes.
All right, do this question and do this question. Everyone understood कि और explain करना है guys थोड़ा सा.
Sir, no, please don't explain more.
So
आज की
please
सारी
explain
solving
more.
is
Sir, please explain more.
All
And
right,
yeah, please
Sir,
ask
please
Ragini ma'am that
do
can
these
she
2
turn on the
questions. Do
camera?
these 2 questions. नहीं आए छोड़ दो. नहीं confusion है छोड़ दो. दोबारा explain कर दो.
I
Everyone
did. She
do this.
didn't reply. I did text her that, but she refused to reply, I guess.
All right, all right. Let's do the question.
Sir, I don't know why, but I keep on having thoughts to boycott turning on our cameras until Rocky turns the camera.
Dia, beta, your last thing already did create a lot of
Mhm.
things in the class, so don't think of anything else. आपने एक बार अपना वो रूप दिखा चुके हो क्लास को, so let's not show it any more time. Okay.
So do we have to do both of those questions?
No, Arav, you can just see both of these questions. That's
Thank you, sir.
done. Yes. Now I'm getting a little suspicious why Ragini ma'am is not another person because while checking, Sir has turned off his camera.
Nobody did that do that for the
Yeah.
last few questions.
And how can someone literally say that Ragini ma'am is very strict? Wouldn't the Ragini ma'am get angry at him?
Offended.
Because he keeps saying that I'm warning you, Ragini ma'am is very strict.
वो कुछ तो पका रहे हैं हमें फंसाने के लिए अब क्योंकि मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा.
So UI, see, in all that conversation, UI got an answer.
Feeling very focused today.
So just a second.
Diya,
Wait, that was for the second question. That was for the second question.
It's one answer.
so 23 into 15 is 345. 345. Diya, how many places I will shift?
Sir, 2.
What will be my answer
3.4.
then?
3.45.
Correct. I will shift one place, one place. Sudharam, understood?
Yes,
Mr. Guy, what happened?
So I forgot to put the decimal point in the first one.
My
I
goodness.
put it in my book, but then I forgot to.
Then I will multiply 7 into 2. I will get 14. Now, Diya and Guy and Gauri, how many places will I shift?
Sir, but
Sir,
but
how did you get 14? I did not understand.
7 into 2, beta, is 14. 7 ones are 7.
Sir, how
Seven
would you
twos are-
write it formally? Like if you want to show a teacher this
I
answer.
have written it formally only. 7 into 1 is 7. 7 into 2 is 14. 1 4
14.
14.
Okay.
You can
1
write
4
अगर
dot
और formally
0.
लिखना
So it
है
would be
you can
1
write
4
it 7
0.
1
1 4 dot 007.
no beta no. It is just 14. See, आप डेसिमल भूल जाओ. ये 7 है, ये 1 है, ये 2 है. डेसिमल भूल जाओ. 7 into 1 7, 7 into 2 14. समझ आया?
Okay. Yeah.
Now, how many decimals are there in this question? How many decimals will you shift?
So we'll shift 3 decimals.
3 decimals. एक shift करो क्या हो जाएगा? पहले एक shift करो. एक मिनट,
So
एक मिनट.
0.00014. 0.014.
0.01.
0.
So 0.014. Yes. So one shift 1.4, then 0.14, then
Thank you, sir. Understood.
0.014. So 0.014. Everyone
Understood,
understood?
Yes, understood.
Yes, sir.
Understood.
All right. So the next concept is division. Guys, break चाहिए आज की division start कर दे सीधे.
Yes, break.
Sir, break.
All right, take a break. So Gauri, did I tease you today?
Yes, sir.
Did I tease you today?
Did I?
Tease you today.
Not really, sir. I took it in a funny way.
But my intention was purely to tease you.
Sir, no worries. It's fine.
All right. So let's start with the first question. It's division of decimals. So let me give you an example. Suppose I give you 7.2 divided by 5. Or I can make 17.2 also. So 5 threes are 15, right? 2 will be my remainder. Now, as soon as I get a decimal point in my dividend, I will put a decimal point in my quotient. I will repeat. As soon as I get a decimal point in my dividend, sorry, I will put a decimal point in my quotient. So जैसे यहाँ decimal point आया मैंने ऊपर भी कर दिया. 2 fell down. 5 fours are 20.
2 remainder.
Yeah, 2 is the remainder. But
Don't
when
have to
it's
put the
decimal
zero.
division, I can add a 0. Any number of zeros are free after the decimal point. I repeat, any numbers of zeros are free after the decimal point. So I'll put a 0. 2 will fall, this 0 will fall down, 5 fours are 20. Understood, guys? 20 minus 20, 0. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Understood.
Next.
So what if it's 3 divided by 10? We'll never get 0. I mean, we'll never get 0 in the remainder, will we?
Beta, we'll come to
Yeah,
those.
those are the other ones. Those are special ones. So I
First
won't
do
give
this
them.
question. First do this question.
Gauri asked
Those
about
are non-recurring. Those are non-recurring.
yeah, non-reckoning. There's a
Those
way to
are
solve it.
those are
recurring.
recurring.
Those are recurring or repeating.
Sorry.
जैसे
Sorry, said
आपको
the
10
opposite.
डिवाइड बाय
Sorry, said
करना
the
है.
opposite. These are non-recurring, but those are recurring.
चलो गाइस करो, फिर मैं उसको वो एग्जांपल भी मैं बता दूं.
उनके साथ like they always have a remainder. Wow.
So first it is 3 ones are 3. Smiley, what's my answer? Smiley, Miss Bambi.
solve this question.
Okay, beta. First see 3 ones are 3. ये चीज clear हुई? 1 is the remainder. This is clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Now you found a decimal in the dividend, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So what we will do, you tell me.
So we will put a decimal after 1.
Yes, then what will happen, you tell me.
So 18. So we will put 6 in the question.
8 will fall down, we will put 6. 3 6 are 18.
Remainder
Smiley, you only solved this question, beta. So it's good to try,
yes, sir.
isn't it? Now, one example, these kids asked 10 divided by 3. So let me explain. 10 threes are 3 threes are 9. 1 will be my remainder. Then I can put a decimal and a 0. 0 will fall down. Then 3 threes are 9. I will put a decimal here and 3 threes are 9. Then again 1. Then again 0 will fall down. 3 threes are 9. Then 1 will be my remainder. So this will keep on happening. 3.3333333333. So how do we represent that? We can represent
We
because
put
3
a
will
line on
be,
top of 3.
we put a line on top of 3. और IB और Cambridge boards में they put a dot also at times. यहाँ पे वो 3 के ऊपर dot लगा देंगे, which shows that this 3 is recurring or repeating. But अगर if you are doing a CBSE board, बेटा best way is कि आप इसको 10 by 3 को mixed fraction में 3 1 by 3 लिख दो. Don't convert it into decimals. All right.
Yes,
This is
sir.
the safe bet.
Yeah.
So Candy, Gauri, beta, keep your camera on.
Sir, it's easy to represent fractions, right?
Beta, it depends. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. It's easy. Everything is, once you understand, things become simple.
Sir,
Let's
will
give
you be
another
giving
example.
us recurring sums?
No,
Sir,
beta. No.
So can you give another example?
Yes, beta. Many numbers which are divisible 3 or 7 से आप करोगे तो you will find many numbers.
Many recurrence.
Yes, 2, 4, 5 इनसे divide हो जाते हैं. 6, 7 and 9 से you will find recurring numbers. जो उनके मल्टीपल्स नहीं है वो रिकरिंग ही होंगे मैक्सिमम, नॉट ऑल बट मैक्सिमम, बहुत सारे। गौरी, बेटा gluten free food is finished now. You can start your camera.
Sir, sir, can't. I don't know why. But I can't.
Why? Why you
Sir, I'm
can't?
in a sir, I'm in a car. So
So are you driving?
no, sir, but sir, if like sir, my
Has
net
the
does
Sir,
driver
this is a
has got
recording
any?
song.
sir, my net does not work properly when I'm in a car, so that's why.
Oh, अच्छा अच्छा. I thought
Try
the
to
driver.
try to turn the terminal
No, no,
on.
it's okay. You keep it
Sir,
on unmute now.
Okay,
sir,
sir,
Yes.
I'll remain on unmute.
sir, this is a recording song.
No, beta, it is not.
How much? Oh, I copied the numbers wrong.
Oh, oh dear, oh.
What was the number that you copied wrong?
Why?
I want to
Three
know the
with
recurring number.
3. But it wasn't exactly recurring. I didn't complete the sum. But it was way too long. It had already gone past 3 decimal spaces.
So, were the numbers different that were coming or same?
Shut up! Same. It
Then
was
it was
20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20.
barely able to type. Oh, God.
Sir, I didn't understand.
5. So
All right, let's see.
So 1 second, so 1 second. I copied the numbers wrong, so please give a little
So,
tiny bit more time.
my dear Candy,
Yes, sir.
beta,
Sir, I
which?
got the answer. Sir, I got the answer. Sir, I got the answer.
Oh my goodness!
Sir,
Adya
can
has
you
What
done it.
breaking news, sir? What breaking news?
No, no,
Sir,
she
can
is
you please wait
picking
for
up.
2 seconds?
She's picking up. She's trying to be a part of the class. That's great. Decimal division, not all, also normal division. Decimal division she has solved. So Candy, where is my answer?
Sir, I sent it.
Okay, let's see. So we will do 9 ones are 9. 4 will be my remainder. Then 2 will fall down. 9 fours are 36. यहाँ तक ठीक था गौरी, स्माइली, कैंडी.
Yes, sir.
कैंडी बेटा अनम्यूट कर लो ना. Got it wrong. फिर क्या करेंगे कैंडी? यू टेल मी, फिर क्या करेंगे? चलो ठीक है. She is having a
I
backup
did a
voice.
type error.
63, then I didn't divide more.
No बेटा no. We will first put a decimal here and decimal here. Smiley, you tell me. यही करेंगे, decimal point put करेंगे, correct?
Yes, sir.
Then what will happen? 0 will fall down.
Yes,
Then
sir. And then 6 are 54.
54. Then
And
6.
the remainder will be 6. And then
Then
we
3. 9 sevens are 63.
Sir,
कहाँ mistake हो गई Smiley?
I had a
before the
calculation.
decimal, I wrote 3 instead of 4.
Okay.
Oh, sir, मैंने क्वेश्चन ही गलत नोट डाउन कर लिया. सर, I noted down 1 3 true dot 30.
Okay. So Candy, where did you make mistake?
Sir, I didn't solve. I only solved till we got 54.
Okay. बेटा we have to complete it. जहाँ पे complete हो जाए वहाँ पे 2 or 3 decimal places तक भी we can go. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now let's say my question is 0.765 divided by 9. I will solve it. So 0.765 divided by 9. So I got a decimal at the start, so I will begin my decimal at the start. Understood this? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
नो गाइस, थोड़ा सा मैं चेंज करता हूँ, थोड़ा सा मैं क्वेश्चन को चेंज करता हूँ, मैं 7.65 करता हूँ.
Okay.
So why?
So guys, can I divide this 7 with 9? मैं
No,
बताऊंगा.
sir, आएगा 0 ही.
Can I divide this 7 with 9?
No, sir, you
No,
have
sir.
to put decimal.
So I will put a decimal right at the start. I will repeat because मैं first digit को नहीं divide कर सकता. I will put a decimal right at the start. Now 9 8s are 72. Decimal put करने के बाद एक digit free है. Decimal put किया, first digit is free for me. 9 8s are 72, 4 and 5. 9 5s are 45. ये बात समझ में आई guys?
Yes, sir.
Now let's say मेरा original question जो पहले था वो होता 0.765 और डिवाइड बाय 9. अब मेरा डेसिमल स्टार्ट में 0 हटा देता हूँ, कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट करेगा. मेरा डेसिमल स्टार्ट में, मैं डेसिमल स्टार्ट में लगा देता हूँ. नाउ गाइस, कैन आई
So
डिवाइड दिस
72.
7? बेटा रुक
So you
जाओ
can
भाई,
take.
रुक जाओ. कैन आई डिवाइड दिस 7 विद 9?
No, sir.
Beta, because it is after the decimal and I am not able to divide, I will put a 0 because I am not able to divide. मुझे एक additional 0 put करना पड़ेगा.
Sir, can't we take 2 numbers instead?
बेटा no, because मैंने एक decimal वाला ले लिया ना. Because I have used decimal,
Oh.
मुझे 1 by 1 ही चलना पड़ेगा. So then 9 8s are 72. दोनों questions में difference समझ आया?
Yes, sir.
Then 5. Guys, everyone understood? Smiley understood the difference between two questions, these two questions?
Yes, sir.
So these are smiley waves for you. Next question. You will solve it.
Okay, sir.
The same concept I have taught in grade 5 also.
Oh. Sir,
Last-
I remember doing this in grade 5 with you only. Sir, I think I'm doing your class from grade 4 or 3. So who's your longest student that has been studying from you from the past years?
So there are quite some students, but I think there are quite a lot of students who are with me since many years. But like after COVID, let me tell you, after COVID and online for online classes, it has been Vishrut, I can say for sure. There are more also, but Vishrut I can say. I think Sudram also 3. Sudram joined in grade 3.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I joined in grade 2.
Sir, I also
So
joined in
then
grade 3, I
2,
think.
3, 4, 5, 6. So Mahuri, Sudram, Mahuri and Vishrut.
Dia also.
No, but Mahuri joined with me in grade 2. And
Oh.
that time, like I taught Vishrut in grade 4. Now he is in grade 8.
Sir, technically, I started in grade 1 because I was always watching while my sister did the classes.
All right. Very good, guys. Next question कर ले. Guys, बिल्कुल वैसे मत. I'll not give. इसको write and do it. Don't just give the answer. Okay. So I will put a decimal here. 6 2s are 12. 2 will come, 4 will come, 6 4s are 24. Guys, directly मत करना. छोड़ो यार, आप करोगे, directly करोगे आप आएंगे. छोड़ो. Next concept is where my divisor is a decimal number. Divisor is also a decimal. which is not possible. ये मैं कर नहीं सकता divide. I don't have the powers. I have the powers,
So
but
can
I can't. This magic is required, so I
So
can't
can I
share
see
them with.
how?
So what I will
Sir,
do
with
is,
the help of sir, with the help of your
what I will do is,
power, sir.
suppose मेरा number है 4.8 upon 0.3.
Okay.
Divide by, not upon नहीं है, divide by है. We have one at the, it means one at the same thing. It's like divide by what? 0.3. So what I will do? I have to take care of this decimal. So we all know that division can be written in the form of fractions. So
Yes.
what I will do? I will remove the decimal by multiplying with 10 by 10. मैं 10 by 10 से multiply करूंगा. Why I multiplied with 10? Because 10 से multiply करने में ये whole number हो जाएगा. I will get 48 upon 3. One more example. अगर
Sir,
मेरा
अगर
zero, बेटा I am giving, अगर मेरा 0.48 हो, divide by 0.3 हो, then by which number will I multiply? Gauri?
so then you'll multiply by 100 both numbers.
No, बेटा I'll again multiply by 10 only. Because मुझे केवल denominator को convert करना है whole number.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
One more example. अगर मेरा 0.048 divide by 0.16 है, that by which number will I multiply? I will ask this question from Chip. By which number? Who is playing with her nails? Who thinks no one is noticing? By which number will I multiply?
100.
100. Done at school, right? So 4.8 divided by 16. Beta 1 shift, 2 shift, 4.8 and 16. Understood or not understood? All right, do this question. Let's see.
Explain again.
I can explain again. बेटा मुझे डिनोमिनेटर को होल नंबर में कन्वर्ट करना है, तो इसमें कितने डेसिमल प्लेसेस हैं, डिजिट्स हैं आफ्टर द डेसिमल 1. सो आई मल्टीप्लाई विद 1. यहाँ पे कितने डिजिट्स हैं आफ्टर द डेसिमल 1? सो आई मल्टीप्लाई विद 10. यहाँ पे कितने डिजिट्स हैं आफ्टर द डेसिमल 2? आई विल मल्टीप्लाई विद 100. अंडरस्टूड?
Yes.
But remember, we have to multiply the numerator also by the same number. Because numerator is also a family member. And we just cannot do partiality with family members. Understood?
No, sir, so
So after doing this step, we have to divide normally 16.
Yes, we have to divide normally. इसके बाद ये खत्म नहीं हुआ गाइस, ये आंसर मत सेंड कर देना. इसके बाद फिर आप आगे कंटिन्यू करोगे 4.8 divide by 3. So then it will be 1. I will put a decimal here, 8. 1.6 is the answer. आगे पूरा सॉल्व करना है, ये फाइनल आंसर होगा.
no, sir.
Don't do the first step and send me.
So can you please explain again? I'm kind of lost.
बेटा what are you lost? बता दो मुझे.
Sir, it's very confusing.
कुछ भी कंफ्यूजिंग नहीं है.
It's not at all
केवल एक
confusing.
चीज है, डिवाइजर इज ऑल्सो डेसिमल. अगर ऐसा क्वेश्चन आ जाए जिसमें डिवाइजर भी डेसिमल हो जाए, डिवाइजर उस चिड़िया को बोलते हैं जिससे हम डिवाइड करते हैं. अंडरस्टूड? अंडरस्टूड दिया?
Yes, sir, kind of.
Now,
So can
now
I leave
this,
at 7, 8 again today?
yes, this is the numerator, this is the denominator, क्योंकि मैं डिवाइड कर रहा हूं. अब मैं डिनोमिनेटर को मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10 करके होल नंबर में चेंज कर दूंगा. So I will multiply both the numerator and denominator by 10 by 10. First you have to convert the divisor into a whole number. Simple
Sir,
है 10 by 10.
Sir, how does 48.3 become 4.8 by 3 in the end?
Sir, I'm
Because
kind of
दोनों
getting
को
it now.
multiply by 10 किया, ये decimal shift to the right हो गया, तो ये 3
Sir,
बन
but
गया.
then how did it become 0.48? It is
0.
already 4. It's
बेटा ये
already
अलग, ये different example है,
Sir,
था.
shift to the right. Sir, shift to the right.
Example 2 मैंने right ही तो shift किया है.
Oh, okay.
ये example 2 था, ये example 1 था. My apologies for taking the same numbers. ये example 3. My apologies.
Oh, that's a different.
All right. So 1.32 divide by 0.28.
I just wanted to ask a silly question. The second number is the divisor or the first?
Very silly question.
Please.
So beta second number is the divisor.
So the one inside is the one we divide from, or the one outside is the one we divide from?
I don't know.
Sir, it's not a silly question.
I don't know, beta. अब इसके बाद तो I don't know. इसके बाद तो you get across. I'll explain.
Oh, so if I get across, you'll explain on it. So,
Ma'am, please check.
Mr. Ba, why is your camera off today?
so just remember, you only told me to get the question wrong.
Mr. Ba,
Yes, sir.
why is your camera off, beta, today?
Sir, it is not off.
It is off.
Sir, it's not showing on my screen.
As per the rules of the class, you will have to keep your mic on.
Sir, as per the rules of the class, each and every attending member must switch on their camera. And Ragini ma'am is an attending member.
She beta, the
Now, sir, we
host
changed
of the
it.
meeting.
Sir, we changed the rule and say all students must turn on this camera.
And she is the host of the meeting, beta.
Sir, you
Yes,
are the host of
sir.
the meeting.
No,
I am
wait.
co-host. I am co-host.
Stop. So if all the
Because Ragini
students...
ma'am is you, sir.
अच्छा guys, okay, enough यार. पहले आंसर दो फिर बात करते हैं. So hacker, what's the problem, hacker and Ananya?
Sir, I'm getting a remainder.
तो बेटा 0 पुट करो ना आगे. 2 के आगे 0 पुट करो.
So I keep
Again,
getting...
if you get a remainder, you can add zeros after the decimal point. Who is stopping you?
So but I got a 3 decimal place number.
Then you probably did something wrong. Because the answer will have 2 decimal places.
Yeah, sir, it has 2 decimal places.
But I got 3 decimal places.
Chalo, I'm doing the first step.
So I guess I fulfilled your wish, sir.
1.32 divided by 0.8. I'll multiply with which number, Diya?
10.
10 by 10. So what will I get? Tell me.
13.2 and 8.
13.2 divide by... अब आपको 13.2 divide by 8 करना नहीं आता दिया?
Sir,
Seriously?
no, sir. I abided by your wishes and got
No,
the
okay,
question.
but seriously, you don't know how to do 13.2
Sir,
divide.
I've done it.
So 8 ones.
Yes,
So
sir.
Candy, Corey is left. Adya and Candy, kahan hai answer, guys? Candy, beta, you are too slow today.
Sir, I'm sending.
So 1 minus 8, then I got 5, then I dropped down to 52, then I took it from 6, 48.
So I will put a decimal here. Okay, enough. I will put 2. So 6, 8 are 48. I will get 4. 0 will be dropped down.
Oh, I got my mistake.
8 5s are 40.
Check my answer.
I got my mistake.
Candy,
Added an extra 2.
Adya,
Yes,
Candy, Diya, Mr. Bambi,
So mine
understood?
was a typing error.
Sir, I added an extra 2 in the middle.
Put the
Sir, I sent my answer when you were telling
the
the
wrong
last step.
place.
Beta, don't get this late. Otherwise, Mahuri will scold you.
Why?
Because Mahuri doesn't like when people are late.
So then why is Mahuri herself late sometimes?
No, if people sends the answer late, so no, she thinks the class is not competitive. People should be competitive, send their answers on
So
time.
then why does she sometimes send the answer late?
She never sends it late. She always
So
sends it.
maybe not in maths mystery, but then
I'm
there are other
right now.
classes
I'm
as
talking
well.
about math mystery only. Okay, everyone do it, guys. Enough.
Oh. You gave another question.
Ma'am, please check.
What if Ragini Mom is an AI?
Oh yes, Zoom provides that facility, but she kept telling me, "Don't worry, I'm real. Don't worry, I'm real."
AI can also message that.
All right, enough, kids. Enough to the question.
I don't think AI would lie or something, do something as stupid.
Maybe Sarah created his own AI.
That could be possible. That could be very much possible. Because these days you can create AIs using AIs. So this one was surprisingly easy.
Difficult. It looks very difficult.
No, it's surprisingly easy. So, oh. So the ones who got it right, can they please leave?
No.
Will you give
So
another
class is
question?
basically over. We have
Chatty, by
like
which
2 minutes.
number will I multiply?
1000.
Beta, why 1000? How many digits after the decimal do you find in the divisor? So which number will I multiply? So what will I get? Beta, help me with the solution. What will I get?
1836.9 divided by 9.
It's recurring.
It's not
Chatty, help me
recurring.
with the division. First 9 twos are
9
18.
2s are 18. Then we'll take 3 down. 3 down, we'll get 0. Then we'll get 36.
So
And we'll
9
get
4.
4.
Then I will put a
Then
decimal
1.
here. Then 9 will fall down. Then 9 ones are 9.
I copied the question wrong.
So Chatty,
What did you copy
Adya,
wrong?
Mr. Bambi, understood?
Yes, sir.
So where is Mr. Bambi? He left?
I did it 18.367, not 9.
All right, guys. So that's all for today. I'll see you in the next class. Bye bye.
Bye,
Enjoy.
sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.